Alright, we're at the elevators at the Mills Fleet Farm parking garage, and look at all this stuff right here. It's part of the elevator. So you have Series 1 fixtures, and yet we see newer Gen 2s. Anyways, this is at Minneapolis, Minnesota. Let's go down. Got a set of 6. No, it's a set of 5, but whatever. Let's go down to 1.
First floor.
Let's go up to 6. Okay, let's look out the window.
Sixth floor.
We're at 6. I think the skyway's at the 3rd floor, so that's where
I usually have a star next to where the skyway.
I think the star means the emergency exit level.
Oh. I think it's the level the stars are on.
Third floor.
You got 3. That's it.